Welcome back to our channel where we explore the wonders of nature's bounty. Today we're diving into the world of lemon balm, a herb with a rich historical background and a plethora of benefits. As I go on with this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to support my channel. Lemon balm, also known as Melissa officinalis, is a member of the mint family and has been treasured for centuries for its medicinal properties. Its bright green leaves have a distinct lemony fragrance, making it a popular choice for culinary and therapeutic purposes. From easing stress and anxiety to promoting relaxation and improving cognitive function, lemon balm is truly a versatile herb with a multitude of benefits. Its calming properties can help soothe the mind and body, making it a perfect addition to your daily wellness routine. One of the most popular ways to enjoy the benefits of lemon balm is by brewing it into a fragrant tea. The soothing warmth of the tea, coupled with the refreshing citrus notes of the herb, create a truly invigorating experience for the senses. In addition to teas, lemon balm can also be used topically to nourish the skin and promote relaxation. Its antiviral and antibacterial properties make it a valuable ingredient in skincare products, helping to soothe irritations and promote a radiant complexion. So, whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or simply want to infuse your life with a touch of citrusy goodness, don't forget to consider the many wonders of lemon balm. Stay tuned for more on our channel as we continue to explore the beauty of nature's gifts. Until next time, take care and stay inspired. Remember to keep your finger on the pulse for our next video escapade. Thank you for tuning in, and I'd love to hear your feedback in the comment section. Remember to show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing for more content.